Welcome to our video where we will guide you through the use of the LAKIOO Cloud platform and show you all the features available here. It's an easy-to-use tool for managing and monitoring devices, specifically media players and projects remotely. Let's take a look at the sections and their options. We'll start from the beginning. First, click on the LAKIOO Cloud icon in the main menu, and then enter your login credentials for your account. The left panel displays devices connected to your LAKIOO Cloud account. In this case, the connected devices are labeled as My LAKIOO Player 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If these devices have green dot, it means they are active and online. If the dot is red, the player is either turned off or not connected to the internet. Similarly, in the main part of the screen we can see a list of devices along with additional information about each one, such as the name, operating system, the currently playing project, and storage usage. This is very useful, especially for customers working with larger projects who need to check if the device or media player has enough free storage space for a new project. By clicking on a specific device, you can access more detailed information. Here you will find the project name, the time it was published to the player, and a list of projects that will be played in the set order. For better clarity, each project also includes a time interval when it should be played. Now, let's look at some of the features that LAKIOO Cloud offers. It's very intuitive and simple to use. We'll start with exporting statistics. Just set the time range for which you want to download the playback statistics and click on Export Statistics. After processing, a Download Statistics button will appear next to Storage Indicator. LAKIOO Cloud also allows direct remote access to your device, a media player, so you can make changes to its settings. For example, you can change the device name and description, set the device shutdown time, and for sometimes even the startup time. You can force a restart of the device or just the LAKIOO Player app if needed. And also add or change the email address for the watchdog feature. This will send your email notifications about player status, such as whether it's on, if project is not playing, or if it failed to download due to internet outage. This way you can keep your media players under constant control even via remote management. There is also a feature for managing the media player storage. If there is a project stored on the media player that has already been played and is no longer needed, or it's an older and outdated version, you can easily delete it with just one click. This will free up storage space and remove the file not only from the device, but also from the application source files. If you have multiple screens installed in different locations, you can group devices for easier and more efficient management. Just create a new group by clicking here. And then you can move individual devices into this group. You can also remove devices from the group or move them to another group. Adding devices players to a group is very simple using our familiar drag and drop feature. Just grab the device and move it into the group. This is quick and efficient way to manage your devices. If your devices players are in groups, you can send files to all of them at once, for example for screensavers. Finally, on the right panel you will find the version of the player and expiration date of your license. If there are less than 3 days left until the license expires, a notification will appear here. This was a basic overview of the LAKIOO Cloud features. As you can see, it's a very intuitive and flexible tool that will help you easily manage your projects and devices. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. And don't forget to log into your account and try it out for yourself. LAKIOO, your wise digital signage app.